Today I am reviewing the AOC 27B35H3 27-inch casual gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today we are diving deep into a display that is trying to pull off a very impressive balancing act. The AOC 27B35H3 27-inch casual gaming monitor. Now, if you have been shopping around for a new monitor lately, you already know the drill. You are usually forced to choose between a slow, boring office monitor or an expensive, over-engineered gaming screen. AOC is trying to capture the perfect middle ground here. They are targeting the casual gamer, the remote worker, and the student who needs a single, versatile screen that can transition smoothly from a massive spreadsheet during the day to a fast-paced multiplayer match at night. We are talking about a spacious 27-inch IPS panel that bumps the standard refresh rate up to a fluid 120 Hz, paired with adaptive sync, rich color gamuts, and a highly eco-friendly design. Let's break down the real-world performance, visual fidelity, and daily usability to see if this monitor earned its place on your desk. First, let's talk about the visual real estate and panel technology. Stepping up to a 27-inch screen gives you a massive amount of breathing room compared to traditional 24-inch displays. This model features a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, which keeps text sharp and clear for daily tasks. But the real star of the show here is the IPS panel. Unlike cheaper TN panels that look washed out if you move your head slightly to the side, this IPS display maintains gorgeous, consistent imagery from almost any angle. Color accuracy is a massive surprise for a monitor in this casual tier. It boasts a 100.1% sRGB and an 81% NTSC color gamut. What that means for you is that photos look lifelike, streaming videos pop with realism, and games feel deeply immersive. It is even labeled as HDR Ready, which helps to inject some extra dynamic contrast and pop into your favorite movies and multimedia content. Moving on to the gaming performance. This is where the monitor truly separates itself from standard office hardware. A typical desktop monitor maxes out at a standard 60 Hz, which can feel sluggish and choppy. The AOC 27B35H3 elevates that experience by delivering a fluid 120 Hz refresh rate over the HDMI port. When you couple that high refresh rate with its rapid 1 millisecond response time, motion blur virtually vanishes. Panning your camera in an action game or tracking a moving target feels incredibly responsive. To make things even sweeter, AOC has included adaptive sync technology. This dynamically synchronizes the monitor's refresh rate with your computer's graphics card, completely eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. Whether you are navigating a chaotic team fight or just scrolling rapidly through a website, everything moves with a buttery smooth cadence. For daily comfort and connectivity, the engineering team packed in several highly practical features. On the back, you get a versatile mix of legacy and modern ports, featuring both a standard VGA port for older systems and an HDMI port for modern PCs and consoles. There is also a dedicated earphone out jack, letting you plug your favorite headset directly into the monitor for private listening sessions. Ergonomically, the stand offers smooth tilt adjustments so you can find the perfect, ergonomic viewing angle for your posture. If you prefer to reclaim your desk space entirely, the monitor is fully VESA mount compliant, making it incredibly easy to attach to a dual monitor arm or a wall mount. Long hours at a desk can take a serious toll on your eyes, so AOC implemented a robust suite of eye care features. It includes flicker-free technology to eliminate invisible screen stuttering that causes fatigue, alongside a low blue light mode that filters out harmful blue light wavelengths during late-night work or gaming sessions. Finally, it is exceptionally eco-friendly. Operating in its specialized eco mode, the monitor draws a mere 13 watts of power, keeping your electricity bill remarkably low. It also comes bundled with AOC's user-friendly on-screen display menu, alongside their eSaver and iMenu software packages, which allow you to adjust your brightness, contrast, and energy-saving features directly from your desktop using your mouse, instead of clumsily fumbling with buttons on the back of the frame. To wrap it all up, the AOC 27B35H3 casual gaming monitor is a phenomenal value proposition. It successfully bridges the gap between everyday productivity and high-performance casual gaming. By combining a beautiful, color-accurate IPS panel with a fluid 120Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync, and comprehensive eye comfort technologies, it delivers a massive upgrade over standard desktop displays. If you want a spacious, energy-efficient 27-inch monitor that can comfortably handle work, study, and play without breaking the bank, this display is an incredibly smart choice.